Uy, ano? Hindi yung basta.
Cute na yung butt mo, bro. Ikaw maghawak. Hindi mo naman nilinis. What's that color?
Let me smell.
Blue. No. It's color yellow.
It's color yellow.
You are a brain rot kid. Baste, brain rot ka. Ow! Uy! Ow! My spine! Uy! Baste, ow! Sakit! You hold it. You hold it.
Mali na ako na.
Roy! Yell, oh my god. Go.
Dimi. It's it, guys. I am going. Never heard it as a call. Okay, no problem. 7 million, thank you.
Ate.
Ate, kunin mo nga yung ano nito pang stand at ilalagay ko dito.
Okay.
Andoon sa ano?
Hey! Nilock-in tayo ni Daddy sa mamo. Nilock-in tayo ni Daddy. Ma,
Nice to eat this.
nakalok.
Hello.
This is more ano, juice.
I'll eat it.
What's the taste?
Minimum.
Here.
That was minimum. That was kind of good. I mean, that was kind of good.
This is cashew.
That's minimum though.
Uy, magugas-gas. Ano tong ano?
You overdo it.
What type of phone you're using to film? Samsung.
We're using Kia.
3310.
Daddy!
Ayan na, sige. Hey, kunin mo. Hanapin mo doon. Si Milo. Tingnan mo doon, ginamit nyo. Nandun sa ano, sa inyo, doon. Andyan ate, sa may baba, sa may nilagay ko mga gamit nyo. Oh wow, you're rich. We are just poor.
Ikaw na lang na.
Nandun sa ano?
I can't find it. French. Papa, keep a secret.
Hello, no.
Dalap. Dun, 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 dun.
Hoy!
Mother showing the.
Ay, na si Milo.
Hmm.